Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automate your customer inquiries using ManyChat combined with AI tools like ChatGPT. This is a complete step-by-step guide that will help you set up an automated chatbot flow that not only replies to your customers instantly, but also directs them to your website, shares your services, and captures their contact details with a lead magnet so you can book meetings easily. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an AI system using ManyChat and Telegram that will... Let me show you how. Start by going to ManyChat.com and signing up for a free account. Once you're inside, choose Telegram as your messaging platform. Now open Telegram and search for botfather. This is Telegram's official bot creator. Use it to create a new bot, and you'll receive a bot token. Just a long string of characters. Copy that token, go back to ManyChat and connect your Telegram account. Now your bot is live. Let's build something powerful. Let's jump right in. First, you need to log into your ManyChat dashboard. If you don't have an account, just head over to ManyChat.com and create one. It's free to get started. Once you're logged in, look to the left menu and click on Automation, then select Flows. Now we are going to create a new flow. This is the core of your chatbot automation. Click on the button that says New Flow and name it something clear like Customer Inquiry Automation. This way you can easily identify it later. Next step is to add a trigger. This trigger will tell ManyChat when to start this conversation flow. Click on Add Trigger and choose Keyword as your trigger type. Keywords are specific words that when typed by your customer will activate this flow. For example, type in website. So whenever someone messages you with the word website, ManyChat will start this automation for them. You can add more keywords like services info, help by separating them with commas. Now let's build the first message your customers will see after the trigger activates. Click on the plus sign below the trigger and select Send Message. In this message, write a warm, welcoming text that shows you care. For example, say, "Hi there. Thanks for reaching out. I'm here to help you learn more about our services and answer any questions you may have. You can also visit our website anytime to explore in detail." To make it easier for your customer to visit your website, add a button to this message. Click the plus sign in the message editor and add a button. Label the button, "Visit our website," or "Explore services." Then set the button, "Action to open website," and paste your website URL. For example, https://yourwebsite.com. You can also add quick reply buttons that guide your customer to popular options like view pricing, book a demo, or contact support. Buttons like these improve user experience by giving clear paths to what they want. Now let me tell you about something really cool. You can connect ManyChat with AI tools like ChatGPT to make your chatbot smarter. This allows the bot to understand and respond to customer questions that are more complex. You can set up an external request in ManyChat that sends the customer message to ChatGPT and gets a dynamic AI-generated reply. This creates a more natural and helpful conversation that feels like talking to a real person. After your bot has given some info about your services, it's time to capture your customer's contact details so you can follow up and build a relationship. Here is how to do it. Add a new message asking your visitor if they want a free guide ebook or discount in exchange for their email. For example, say, "If you'd like a free guide on how to get started, just enter your email below and I'll send it right over." Add a user input block below this message. Set the input type to email. This makes sure the email address your customer enters is valid. You can also ask for their name or phone number if you want more info. Once you have their email, send a confirmation message saying, "Thank you. First name. We just sent you the guide. Check your inbox." If you want to schedule a meeting, click the button below. Add a button named Book a Meeting that opens your calendar or scheduling tool like Calendly. Enter your booking link here. For example, https://calendly.com, your name, meeting. Finally, it is very important to test your entire flow. Before publishing, type your trigger keyword like website in your chat window and go through each step. Make sure all buttons work, all messages appear, and the email capture functions properly. When you're happy with everything, click Publish to make your flow live. This means your customers will start receiving instant replies and your business will run more smoothly with less manual effort. This is a great way to save time, increase customer engagement, and boost your sales. So if you haven't already set up automation for your business now, is the perfect time to start. Thanks so much for watching.